Did you know 90% of consumers read online reviews before making purchasing decisions? 85% of consumers trust reviews as much as a personal recommendation. Positive reviews matter. We know just how hard it can be to even get a few good reviews. Introducing REVV, a simple, automated platform specifically designed to boost your online reputation.
Now that REVV is integrated with RepairQ, you have the ability to
increase positive reviews by 500% and decrease negative reviews by up to 70%. Here's how it works. REVV is fully automated, so reps can focus on sales. Each customer who completes a transaction receives a one-question post-sale survey. Text surveys are delivered within 30 minutes of leaving the store, and they only take a couple clicks to complete. If the customer had a good experience, they'll be prompted to leave a review on the review platform of your choosing. If the customer's experience was negative, they'll be given a place to vent internally. That way, the issue can be handled offline. Customers can even request to be contacted, potentially turning an upset customer into a happy one. The REVV dashboard includes a full suite of helpful analytics and reports. Even get custom alerts sent straight to your email. Let's recap. REVV significantly increases positive reviews, decreases negative reviews, and boosts your online reputation. Schedule a REVV demo today at trackpoint.com/contact us.